Find search history on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to find search history on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Instagram. Tap profile at bottom right. Tap menu icon at top right. Scroll down. Tap account center at top. Now navigate to your information and permissions option. Tap search history. Choose your account in which you want to find the search history of, and these are all the search history in the last 30 days. You can easily sort by tapping sort icon. Suppose all is to newest and you will see all your search history. If you want to clear it, you can tap the cross mark next to it. And that's how we can easily find search history on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.